Diffusion models make stunning images, but they are slow. To turn noise into a picture, they take dozens, sometimes hundreds, of tiny denoising steps. Consistency models, introduced by OpenAI in 2023, fix that. They can jump from pure noise to a finished image in a single step, or just a few. In this video, why diffusion is slow, what a consistency model is, how it is trained, the code, and where it is used today. First, why is diffusion slow? A diffusion model learns to remove a little noise at a time. Starting from random static, it nudges the image towards something real, then repeats, again and again. Each step is one full pass through a large neural network. 25, 50, even 1,000 passes might be needed. The results are gorgeous, but generating one image can take many seconds, which rules out anything real-time. A consistency model asks a bolder question. Instead of walking the path one step at a time, why not learn to jump straight to the end? Under the hood, diffusion defines a smooth path, called the probability flow trajectory, that connects noise to a clean image. A consistency model learns a function that maps any point on that path directly to its origin, the final image. Give it noise, and it lands on the answer in one leap. Here is the idea in motion. Diffusion traces a smooth trajectory from noise to a clean image. Instead of crawling along it, the consistency model learns one function that, from any point on that trajectory, points straight to the origin. So a single evaluation takes raw noise and produces the finished image. A second or third step can be added to sharpen fine detail, but the heavy lifting is done in that first jump. The contrast is dramatic. A classic diffusion model runs 25 to 1,000 network passes to make one image, one slow step after another. A consistency model does it in 1 to 4 passes. That is often 10 to 100 times faster. The one-step version is instant, but a little softer. 2 to 4 steps recover crisp detail, and can rival the quality of full diffusion sampling. The heart of the method is the self-consistency property, and it is where the name comes from. Every point along a single trajectory should map to the same origin. The point near the clean image, and the point buried in noise, must both predict the identical final picture. Training enforces exactly this. Points on the same path are pulled to agree. A boundary rule pins the function near the clean image to the image itself. There are two ways to train one. Consistency distillation uses a pre-trained diffusion model as a teacher. It simulates the trajectory, and the student learns to match the teacher's endpoint. Consistency training skips the teacher entirely and learns straight from data. Improved techniques in 2024 made training from scratch actually beat distillation, reaching single-step image quality once thought impossible. The most practical version is the Latent Consistency Model, or LCM. It applies the same trick inside the compact latent space of stable diffusion, so a higher resolution image needs only about 4 steps instead of 50. Even better, LCM Low Array packages this as a tiny plugin adapter. Drop it onto almost any stable diffusion checkpoint, and that model suddenly generates in 4 steps, with barely any extra memory. Encoded is a small change. With Hugging Face diffusers, you load a stable diffusion pipeline, fuse the LCM low array weights, and swap in the LCM scheduler. Then you generate with just 4 inference steps and a low guidance scale. No retraining, no new base model. The same prompt that took 50 steps and several seconds now returns almost instantly, on the same hardware. Consistency models spawned a fast-moving family. The original consistency model came from OpenAI. LCM and LCM Low Array brought it to stable diffusion. Improved and continuous time versions, like OpenAI's SEM, stabilized training at scale. And cousins like adversarial diffusion distillation, which powers SDXL Turbo, chase the same goal, one-step images, using a different, GAN-flavored recipe. Where does this matter? Anywhere speed counts. Real-time canvases let you paint and watch the image update as you move the brush. Interactive editing feels instant instead of laggy. On-device generation becomes practical on phones and laptops without a data center GPU. And video and animation, where every frame is an image, get dramatically cheaper when each frame takes 1 step instead of 50. Here is the number that captures it. A traditional diffusion model might take 50 steps to draw one image. A consistency model needs as few as 1, and typically 1 to 4. That is a 10 to 100 times speedup, turning multi-second generation into something that feels instant. Speed like that is what unlocks real-time and interactive image AI. So, to recap, diffusion is slow because it denoises one small step at a time. A consistency model learns to jump straight from noise to the final image, using the self-consistency property in 1 to 4 steps. Train it by distilling a diffusion model or from scratch. Plug an LCM low array to accelerate models you already have, and you get near instant, high-quality generation. Save this and follow for more.